You're looking at my call for the best TV you can buy in 2018 in the US. And I know that's a really controversial statement. Everybody's got an opinion about what should qualify the best TV. For me, I think it's a combination of really excellent picture quality at the best price that you can get relative to other premium TVs, and perhaps most importantly, the user experience. All those little touch points you have with a TV every single day. You should enjoy using the TV, not have it be a pain or something that you can learn. With all that in mind, that's why I'm calling the LG C8 OLED the best TV you can buy in the US this year. Here's why. Let's start with the design, which I like better than the less expensive LG B8 OLED. They're very similar, but the stand scoop spans almost the entire width of the TV and is used to funnel sound from the speakers out toward the listener. This TV is bringing sexy back, and by that, I mean it has a sexy back. Too bad nobody ever looks at the back of a TV after it's installed, but dang, look at that profile. It never gets old. I love showing this thing off because people are always wowed by it. It's a good feeling. Here's the remote. It's fine. I'm a little over the design. I feel like a premium TV should have a really premium feeling remote. It's got a lot of buttons. You don't necessarily need all of them, but the most important part about this is that it controls the TV's WebOS operating system. We are definitely not over LG's WebOS interface. Others have copied LG and improved their user experience, but when you compare WebOS to the Android TV system that Sony's OLED TVs use, WebOS is the easy winner. There's another reason I call this the best TV you can buy this year. It's snappy, responsive, the layout is better. It also incorporates LG's ThinQ AI, which basically combines Google Assistant with onboard intelligence to help you find what you want to watch easier, control your smart home, and even order a pizza, all with the power of voice commands. Unless you think it is always listening, you do have to click this button in order to activate voice control. So the TV on the whole looks great. It's super easy to use. It's got futuristic features like voice control and AI assistance. What about the picture quality? No surprise, it's some of the best we've seen all year. It's just as strong as the E8 OLED we evaluated earlier this year. The processing is excellent, and we like how LG's tone mapping is employed to make judicious decisions about how to handle HDR content. And don't forget, this TV does a very good job handling all HDR formats, including Dolby Vision. The competition has struggled with that a little bit. I appreciate the balance between shadow detail and specular highlights, and the color is very good out of the box and even better after a professional calibration. Now, you can't do an OLED TV review these days without addressing burn-in, because under extreme circumstances, it can happen. So let me be clear here. I know far more people who have not had burn-in issues on their OLEDs than I know who have. And that's because it takes a specific kind of use or viewing behavior to cause burn-in. This is not a commercial display. Don't put it in a sports bar where it will be on all the time. And if you're the sort of person who puts the TV on one channel and leaves it there for 8 or more hours a day, then an OLED TV is not for you. Eventually, that CNN ticker or Fox News bug is going to cause problems. Same if you're a gamer that plays the same game day after day for hours on end. These are considered extreme use cases, and OLED is not the right TV for it. If, however, you want the most cinematic viewing experience you can get in your home, an OLED TV is the way to go. It's also superb for sports and gaming. It's a great everyday TV and a great special day TV too. That brings me to my last point, the price. Yes, it's a premium price TV. However, outside of LG's own B8 OLED, which we don't like quite as much as the C8 here, the C8 is the least expensive OLED TV you can buy with all the advanced picture quality and features that you're going to want. The 55-inch version comes in under $2,000, the 65-inch version under $2,800. And there are deep discounts on these TVs right now for the holidays, and we can expect to see those prices going down over time as we move into 2019. So there you have it. That's why I think the LG C8 OLED is the best TV you can buy in the US right now. We look forward to what's coming in the future, but if you need the best viewing experience you can get in your home, I think this is it. Hey guys, thanks for watching this video. If you liked what you saw, please consider hitting the like button, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and while you're at it, check out 2 videos that we picked just for you.